Credit Scores Explained – Tips for Improving Your Credit. Navigating the murky waters of credit scores can be a daunting task, but it's a crucial component of personal finance. Your credit score not only affects your ability to obtain loans, but also influences the interest rates you get on those loans. So, how can you improve your credit? Let's dive in and explore some tried and tested tips for revamping your credit status. Before moving forward, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future interesting videos. 1. Understanding the basics of credit scores. Let's crack open the nutshell of credit scores. These nifty 3-digit numbers that typically bounce between 300 and 850 serve as a snapshot of your creditworthiness. Just as your report card reflected your scholastic diligence in school, your credit score is a report card for your financial responsibility. The top-tier class valedictorians, in this case, are those with scores closer to 850. The trinity of credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, acts as the school board of sorts, diligently documenting your financial exploits. These reports are then whisked away to FICO, who plays the role of a strict but fair teacher, calculating your credit score based on your financial behavior. The higher your score, the more attractive you become to lenders. It's like wearing a neon sign that says, "I pay my debts on time." Lenders appreciate this glowing attribute, making it easier for you to qualify for loans and snag some pretty sweet interest rates. So, understanding your credit score is just as important as knowing your blood type. It's a vital part of your financial health. 2 factors influencing your credit score. Unraveling the secret recipe of your credit score requires a peek into several influential ingredients. Leading the pack with a whopping 35% impact is your payment history. Like the steady drumbeat of a great song, consistently punctual bill payments keep your credit score in rhythm. Following close on its heels and contributing 30% is your credit utilization, or the proportion of your available credit you're currently using. It's a delicate balance between utilizing your credit but not maxing it out. We can't forget about the length of your credit history, which also plays a significant role in your score. It's like a long-standing friendship. The longer it is, the more valuable it becomes. The diverse types of credit you have also influence your score. Just like a balanced diet, a mix of credit card debt, student loans, and mortgages make for a healthier score. Lastly, there's the pulse of your recent credit activity. It's the "what have you done for me lately" of credit scoring, looking at how many new accounts you've opened or how many times you've applied for credit recently. Think of it as the flavor enhancer of the credit score recipe. Too much can overpower and cause your score to dip. 3. The importance of regularly checking your credit report. Maintaining an eagle-eyed watch over your credit report is akin to getting regular health checkups. You want to catch any anomalies before they morph into serious issues. And just like those annual doctor visits, most credit bureaus offer a free yearly credit report, an opportunity that is too vital to be ignored. Diving into your credit report is akin to opening a time capsule. It's a detailed timeline of your credit history, spanning out your financial triumphs and trials. Errors can easily sneak into this history, and left unnoticed, these could ding your credit score. Regular checks allow you to challenge these inaccuracies promptly, preventing any unwarranted effects on your score. Another pivotal reason to regularly check your report is to keep a vigilant eye out for signs of identity theft. Suspicious activity, like unfamiliar accounts or unexplained credit inquiries, could be the first hint of foul play. The earlier you catch these red flags, the easier it is to halt the fraudsters in their tracks and safeguard your credit score. 4. Strategic ways to improve your credit score. Sprucing up your credit score doesn't have to be a Herculean task. It's all about consistency, discipline, and strategic moves. Let's start with a fundamental step: paying your bills punctually. It's the financial equivalent of eating your vegetables, a routine act with long-term benefits. And if you've stumbled and fallen behind on payments, prioritize getting back on track. Next, think about your credit card balances. It's a game of balance. Too high and it negatively affects your credit utilization ratio. Too low and you're not showing active credit usage. A happy medium is maintaining low but active balances. Avoid the lure of opening numerous new accounts in a short time span. It's like having too many cooks in the kitchen. It creates unnecessary chaos and can lower your average account age, leading to a potential dip in your score. Now let's talk about variety. Keeping a diverse credit portfolio, a mix of mortgages, auto loans, and credit cards, can add a healthy boost to your score. It's like a well-rounded diet. The variety shows lenders your ability to manage different types of credit responsibly. Finally, be proactive in learning about credit management. Consider it a personal finance masterclass. The more you understand about credit scores and how they're computed, the more adept you'll become at navigating your own credit journey. 5. Impact of closing a credit card on your credit score. Think of closing a credit card as walking off a stage mid-performance. It can leave your audience, in this case, your credit score, in a bit of a stir. Particularly if the card in question has a high limit and a low balance, the closure could inflate your credit utilization ratio and trigger a dip in your score. Picture it like a teeter-totter. If you reduce your available credit, one side of the seesaw, but your debt stays the same, the other side, your utilization ratio tips out of balance. And remember, your credit utilization carries a significant 30% influence on your score. So before you decide to close a card, it's essential to mull over its potential impact on your overall credit landscape. It's about playing the long game, considering the wider implications rather than a momentary relief of having one less card. It's a move that requires careful thought and strategic decision-making, and not one to be taken lightly. So tread lightly, analyze your credit portfolio, and make informed decisions that keep your credit score humming a happy tune. 6. The role of professional credit repair services. Navigating the path to credit repair can sometimes be akin to embarking on a complex treasure hunt. This is where professional credit repair services enter the scene, guiding you through the labyrinth of your credit report. Imagine them as your personal financial guides, armed with a keen eye for spotting inaccuracies that might be lurking in your credit history. Their expertise lies in challenging these errors, acting as your advocate in the quest for a healthier credit score. However, in this exciting financial expedition, caution is your best friend. Beware of the sirens singing songs of instantaneous credit repair. Such miraculous feats are often too good to be true. Credit repair is more akin to a marathon than a sprint, necessitating time, a tailored strategy, and consistent effort. Remember, credit repair services are but one tool in your financial toolkit. They can help clean up your credit report, but the ultimate key to a stellar credit score lies in your hands. It's about maintaining a rhythmic dance of punctual bill payments, balanced credit utilization, and savvy financial management. Your credit score is your financial symphony, and you're the maestro conducting it. A credit repair service can assist you, but it's your enduring commitment to financial discipline that truly strikes the right note. 7. Building credit from scratch. Starting your credit journey may appear as challenging as scaling a mountain, but rest assured it's a trek that's absolutely feasible. The initial step on this path is to embrace the concept of a secured credit card. Picture this as a training wheel for your credit bike ride. It operates on a cash deposit basis, which essentially becomes your credit limit. By making regular purchases and diligently paying them off, you're crafting a solid credit history brick by brick. It's akin to a financial rehearsal, preparing you for the main credit performance. Another strategy is to join the financial ride of someone else as an authorized user on their credit card. Think of it as hitching a ride on a financially responsible friend's credit journey. As they navigate their credit pathway responsibly, your credit story also gets a positive boost. Both these steps lay the foundation for your credit structure. But remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Building credit requires consistency, financial discipline, and a dash of patience. As you embark on this credit expedition, remember, it's not just about reaching the destination, but also about the journey. 8. Don't underestimate the power of financial education. In the journey of credit repair, equipping yourself with financial knowledge is akin to a sailor mastering the art of navigation. The world of credit scores can often feel like uncharted territory, but with the right financial education, you can steer your credit ship with confidence. By understanding the nuances of credit scores, their calculation methods, and effective management techniques, you're gearing up to play an active role in sculpting your financial future. It's like having a secret weapon, ready to be deployed whenever credit challenges arise. Taking advantage of educational resources can transform you from a credit novice into a credit maestro, capable of conducting your financial orchestra with aplomb. Harness this power. Tap into the vast reservoir of online tools, articles, and webinars that can arm you with valuable insights into the labyrinthine world of credit scores. Knowledge can give you the upper hand when disputing inaccuracies on your credit report, negotiating better loan terms, or strategizing the perfect balance of credit utilization. But remember, education isn't a one-time event, it's a lifelong journey. As you stride forward in your credit story, ensure to stay abreast of the ever-evolving financial landscape. It's about fostering a curiosity to learn, adapt, and grow, to not just resolve past credit missteps, but to pave the way for a prosperous financial future. If you enjoyed from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.